Hello everybody, welcome to Bodha Academy. In today's video, we'll be discussing about general information related to JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, MSET for those students who had passed 10th class and opting MPC at intermediate. First, we'll discuss about JEE Mains. This examination is conducted by National Testing Agency, which is abbreviated as NTE. So various engineering colleges will take admission based on performance in JEE Mains examination. IITs, NITs, IIITs, GFTI, IISER, IISc, RGIPT, all these institutions will take admissions based on performance in JEE Mains. JEE Mains will conduct 3 papers. Paper 1 for admissions into BE BTech courses, Paper 2 for admissions into VR courses, Paper 3 for D-planning courses. Approximately 9.2 lakh of students are attempting JEE Mains in 2020. We'll discuss about examination pattern. So paper 1 examination is an online type of examination and it's conducted twice in a year. Second week of January and second week of April. The question paper is of 3 hours duration and carries 300 marks. Test is mainly conducted in maths, physics and chemistry. In each subjects, 25 questions will be asked. Among 25 questions, 20 questions are multiple choice questions with single correct answer and 5 numerical type of questions will be asked. Total 75 questions will be asked. JEE Advanced Examination. Only those who qualify in JEE Mains examination are eligible for attempting this examination. It too was changed to online examination pattern. JEE Advanced examination pattern has 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Each paper is of 3-hour duration. Paper 1 is conducted in morning session, paper 2 is conducted in evening session. In each paper, mathematics, physics and chemistry are conducted. Usually every year there will be change in question paper pattern, number of questions in each paper, total marks, even marking scheme also varies in each question paper. Wrong answers may carry negative mark or partial mark. Cut-off marks in each subject and total cut-off mark changes every year. The various type of questions usually asked in JEE Mains examination are multiple choice questions with single correct answer, multiple choice questions with multiple correct answers, numerical answer type of questions, integer answer type of questions, matching set 1 and set 2 type of questions, comprehensive passage type of questions. Last one, MSET, Engineering, Agriculture and Medical Common Entrance Test. Both AP and Telangana are conducting this. Presently, this examination is only online pattern. In MSET examination, 160 questions are asked for 160 marks and examination duration is 3 hours. Each correct answer carries 1 mark and there is no negative mark. If you know approximately guess the answer, then also you can attempt the question. For MP students, examination is conducted in maths, physics and chemistry. In mathematics, 80 questions were asked, physics 40 questions were asked, chemistry 40 questions were asked. For BPC students, botany 40 questions were asked, zoology 40 questions are asked, physics 40 questions and chemistry 40 questions are asked. Hope this information is useful for you. Thank you.